Hello everyone, in this time I want to show you how to download the Windows 10 ISO file for VirtualBox, okay? Google web page, you type Windows 10 ISO file download. There is Microsoft.com. Click and you can see this web page. Here, create Windows 10 installation media. Click here and download it. If download completed, open. Firstly, agree. Click here and click next. Check here, next. ISO file, next. You can define where to download. I download desktop. After some time, you can see the ISO image file has been downloaded, as you can see here, and click Finish. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.